How to add fonts to Figma. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can add fonts to Figma. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you need to install the Figma font installer. For that, open up a browser and in the search bar, type in figma.com/downloads. So once you type in figma.com/downloads, click on your keyboard, then that's gonna take you to this page. Here, scroll down a bit. Now you need to install font installer. So go to the Windows installer and click on font or Windows installer. Now once the Figma font installer is downloaded, you have to set up it in your device. After that, refresh your browser and then again open figma.com and log in into your account. After installation, once you restart your Figma in your browser, now your local system fonts will be available inside Figma alongside the Google form. Now if you log in into your account, you will see the fonts available in the Figma, and that's how you can add fonts to Figma. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.